this luxurious 1976 Ford LTD. 1976 Ford LaTeDa. The beautiful limelateda. Welcome to RCindustry.
Well, hey, it's Rick here, and it's early this morning for me, especially. But we're going to take the old limelateda here, and we're going to go down and see if we can get a windshield put in it. I went to the junkyard the other day and purchased a brand used windshield to put in it, and because you know this one's just cracked everywhere, and it has that great big old smash place over there. Smash place, I don't know. Anyway, we're going to see today if they can put that windshield in. Hopefully they won't break it, and we should be ready to go except for an oil change. By the time you see this video, we'll be on the road to Sikeston, so hopefully we're going to see all of you down at the NoNameNationals. Show you more. Alright, so here we go. We're liable to get run over by all this school traffic out here. Ooh, that sun's bright now. Well, guys, they got the windshield out, but the problem is the one that we purchased from the junkyard doesn't fit, of course. So now they're going to see if they can do some magic and do a little trimming on it. Show you more. We certainly can't put the old one back in it, because there's the old one. Got the old thrush sticker. I tried to take that off because I really like that, but it wouldn't come off without tearing up. So anyway, show you more. She's in there, guys.
Yeah. They got a little goop there, a little messy, but
Oh, I ain't worried about that. I'm just Glad
it happened.
glad there's a windshield. These guys had to take almost 1.5 inches off of that glass evenly on each side to get it to work and reshape the corners up here. But it's in there. Well, guys, they're getting ready to back it out. They got it in there. No thrush sticker on the windshield anymore, but that's okay, you know. These guys have worked and remanufactured a brand used windshield here. They've cut at least 1 inch off of each side, maybe a little more. And they had to reshape these corners up here. Pretty awesome. There goes the limelateda. Alright guys, well that's going to about do it for this episode. So, we got a windshield in it, so all we got to do is change the oil and we're going to take off to Sikeston. And actually, the day you're seeing this, like I said earlier, is the day we're leaving. This video comes out Wednesday, and we're headed to Sikeston on Wednesday. So we'll try to do a live sometime Wednesday evening, maybe at the hotel, I don't know. We'll see. If we don't break down along the road, we'll see you in Sikeston. And as always, we're making it just like brand used here, baby. I wanted to say a special thanks to the guys that put this windshield in, because they went far above and beyond what they needed to do. True craftsmen. They were able to cut the windshield down and make it fit in this car. Yeah, so anyway, thanks to them. Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.